Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a spreadsheet with GlueIT. There are many programs or online service to create a spreadsheet, but I generally prefer the GlueIT to make a spreadsheet, and I put the link below. You can download it for free. I opened the program, then click Add button, select a sequence. I select all images. If you are correct, you can see in the list box of image panel. Click the GlueIT button. If you see the cut image, don't worry. This image is just a preview image. Click the save button. Name, I prefer the default name. I opened where I put my spreadsheet, and there. Oh yeah.